vienes a... Oh, sorry.
I'm not sure who we do our rotation.
No. The judge just said of evidence required. This is not a trial, and certainly that standard of proof. The judge even said a scintilla of evidence is enough. It's probable cause hearing. The trial is going to be very different, obviously, because it will be some evidence that is going to be insurmountable. The witness is not going to be able to withstand cross-examination from the jury, and we have a lot of evidence that's going to be unveiled at trial, not here. This is not the form. So this is a preliminary hearing. It's a very low standard. The judge used the word scintilla of evidence. That's all they need. So, not disappointed, not surprised. We expected this to go to trial. You've been planning for trial all along.
Do you feel like your client was set up to some degree? It seems like that's what you're indicating. Is that part of your...
Without question. The last question I asked this witness, guys, you'll remember, this Relly, was, did you ever ask Rocky or any of his associates for millions of dollars to make the case go away? He swore under oath, no, he did not. That's not going to bode well for him in trial. And I'm not going to try the case here either, guys. And we'll respect all of you when you're doing your jobs. We'll have our day in court. We look forward to our day in court. I am certain Rocky is going to be vindicated when all this is said and done, without question.
Go ahead. Did they offer like a plea deal or anything?
We haven't asked for a plea deal. We're not taking a plea, so there's never going to be a plea, ever, in this case.
Do you think it'll be hard to convince the jury that those aren't bullet wounds on the finger, on the knuckles?
Well, I know that didn't look like bullet wounds to you based on that question. I mean, I got more. I hit that side podium. My knuckles they're much worse than that thing, right?
That was crazy.
Those were definitely not bullet wounds.
That was crazy.
Definitely not bullet wounds. Well, I don't have to say more because that's why jury's going to come into play here. Common sense is going to prevail, and we're going to get him through this, and he's going to be vindicated. But the evidence we have that they don't know about is going to be devastating.
Wow.
Devastating.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Is he
It's a
intending
possibility. It's way too early for that, guys. Listen, I've been doing this for 1 or 2 years, so I can tell you that it's not proper or appropriate to make a trial decision like the defendant testifying, a year before trial, or whenever that trial is going to be. But is it a possibility? Absolutely a possibility.
As far as you're concerned, is there any, chance of kind of reconciliation between him and Rocky? Or is this is just a crazy...
That's not a question for me, okay? I don't care about that, but I will say this, please.
If Rihanna wanted to come to court to support him in trial, what would you tell her? Would you think that's a good idea?
Listen, this is who Rocky is. He would never subject his family. He wants to shield them. So
Sure.
he's handling it like Rocky would handle something. He protects his family, and that's it. So
Great.
All right, guys, I got to go.
Thank you so much.
All right,
Thanks so much.
Hey, son.
Jay.